about everything?
Nervous?
Yeah?
Did you see this?
Did you work out your safety plan with John, though? Okay.
We need the medics to the stage. Medics to the stage.
This looks scary.
I don't cry.
Okay, here we go. Camera standing by.
Demian, you're on in 5.
My name is Demian. I'm 36 years old. I am an escape artist. My wife Sarah is still here with me. It took a while to get approval from her.
You'll do great. I'm just scared.
She's still afraid that something go wrong.
It'll be okay.
One day I had the nail gun catch and everything went wrong. And then got like the nail stabbed in my hand. I have to get to the hospital. Quite horrible experience.
Just make sure like you recheck everything, right?
I did. Today in American Got Talent, I'll be buried alive inside the box that filled with 900 pounds of sand. I have to escape in 2 minutes before all the sand hit me and crashed me.
How do you feel about him doing these dangerous, like, you can... I don't want to say the word, but it's pretty... Yeah.
It's nerve-wracking.
Well, somebody is nervous for you. Yeah. Well, we're here and we have ambulances.
This escape act is so dangerous, so please don't try this at home.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Demian.
What are you going to be doing here tonight?
We have a dangerous act that I want to show you to guys.
How long have you been doing this?
This one is the second one.
Oh.
So you've only done it once. And this is a very dangerous escape act.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why? What could happen?
He could die.
Yes.
You're being serious.
It's serious. I will be locked up from ankles, wrists, and neck with only fragile cover above me. I have 2 minutes to escape before 900 pounds of sand above that crushed the cover and buried me alive. So
And you
hopefully,
believe it's worth risking your life for this?
for America Got Talent, yes.
Do you have a family?
My wife is watching from the side, and probably she's not gonna look because you're always afraid about everything. Yeah,
Do they-
that's right.
Hi.
Your wife is very beautiful.
Thank
Do you
you.
have children?
No, but hopefully after this, I'm going to start a family with my wife.
You ready to start a family? Yes.
Finger crossed.
Everybody.
Gosh.
Good luck.
Thank you.
It's 900 pounds of sand.
I think sand should be worse than water.
Oh, he has a thing on his neck, too. He's gonna close that, look. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna be buried alive.
Gosh.
My God.
Simon, you talk now. I can't talk.
Well, this is brilliant. I mean, this is like being in a movie. It's like being in Indiana Jones or something. You know, it was like I thought you were dead.
I did.
And I'm thinking, should I actually be on that stage right now with a hammer instead of just watching you die? And then you appeared. It was an amazing act. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Heidi.
You scared the bejesus out of me, oh my gosh! Visually, this was incredible because I don't think we've ever seen anything like this before. Mind-blowing. Very
Thank
good.
you so much.
Mel.
It took me a minute to kind of figure out what was going on. I was like, oh. And then when the sand came down, I was like, oh my gosh, now I get it. And then you appeared, and I was like, oh my gosh, maybe I don't get it. Where did you go? So you took me on a roller coaster ride, and I loved it.
I've never been so thrilled.
Thank you.
You're alive, and now you're gonna have babies. This is amazing. So it's a yes from me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mel.
Oh, it's a definite yes from me.
Thank you.
Heidi.
It's a yes from me, too.
Thank you.
Just to be clear, I was ready with the axe, so you wouldn't have died. Just wanted you to know that. 4 yeses from the panel.
Woo!
Thank you so much.
Oh, we're gonna have a baby right now.
You are alive! Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh.
How do you feel?
Amazing. Like, I don't know. It's like I still got the euphoria. It's like, I don't know. I cannot say anything. Like, wow.